Just put up the bird scarers down Tower Corner. I just thought I'd show you the Merlot that is on demo with us. I know it's a little bit overkill for putting out bird scarers, but when you've got a demo it's a bit hard to resist to keep playing with it. So we've got a video coming next week where we sort of have a play with it for the first day, then we've got a review coming. So make sure you're liking, subscribing and following us on Instagram and Facebook to stay tuned for that. But yeah, Merlot, Turbo Farmer. Not bad at putting out bird scarers. Stay tuned for what else it's good at.